Nice.
Back again to my channel Ruang Tabroni. Come on, let's draw Luffy One Piece together. Draw an image slowly to get maximum results. Starting from line by line in certain parts. Luffy One Piece. If this video is too fast, friends can pause this video for a moment, then repeat it. Luffy One Piece. Draw from the easiest part first. Cut off the lines that are not needed. Luffy One Piece. Color the image to make it look more real. Luffy One Piece. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. Luffy One Piece. One Piece Luffy character creation is complete. Friends, you can try it yourself. The video created has been completed. If you have finished, please try repeating again for maximum results. Thank you.